we're going to try our first baby book. See it? Where's Spot? See the little dog? Oh, look. There's a little dog. That's Spot. He hasn't eaten his supper. So where could he be? There's a bowl for Sally and a bowl for Spot. Remember? Is he behind the door? Look. Oh, no, it's a bear. Oh. Is he inside the clock? Look. No, snake. Is he in the piano? No. See the pretty piano? It's a girl's piano, isn't it? Is he in the closet? Oh, no, it's a monkey though. Look at that monkey. That's a nice monkey. Yeah, we're going to get finished the book because there's like 6 more pages. Is he under the bed? Oh, no, big elevator. Bleh. Is he in the box? Oh, look at those. Birds, aren't they? Blackbirds. There's Spot. He's under the rug. Look at this. We'll get him under the rug and look at him. Whoop. No, the turtle says. Try the basket. Oh, he's running to the basket. There's Spot. There's a little baby Spot. Now. Good boy, Spot. Spot's eating his dinner, and Sally's watching. Sally's the mama, huh? Yeah. The end.
Are you trying to turn the pages, Camille?
She said, that was a story I've heard. I think that's a story I could see. I think I can put it together. Yeah. Oh, if I could just move a little bit more. I want to run and jump, don't I?
Why are you rubbing your eyes, Camille? They're too bright?
She says, I've been a busy woman.
She looks like she's tired.
Yeah, you've been sleeping though. You should be ready to rock and roll. We're going to do more today, aren't we?
Alright, so there's our first video with Grandma How Are You? With 11-week-old Camille.